This is our 3-in-1 handheld laser welding machine. Now let's see the operation. Release the emergency stop button. Turn on the power switch and start. 3-1. The interface entered now is our normal welding mode. There are two modes for laser welding: wire fitting and non-wire fitting. First, let's try welding with wire. This is the effect of all wire welding. Now let's try another. First, we need to remove the fitting parts before welding. When it's done, replace all welding nozzle. Now let's try again. Now this is non-wire welding effect. This is normal welding process. That's all for the laser welding mode. Now let's see the laser cutting function. Let's start. First, we need to set the system parameter. Enter the technology page. Set the scan width to 0. Press save and import. Now we can see the red light is a spot now, but the spot seems not in the circle. We need to open the settings. Find the laser center of set. Then we replace the welding nozzle with the cutting nozzle. Then we get a piece of marking paper. It's for locate the spot. Sticking behind our cutting nozzle, observe whether the red light is at the center point. If there is a deviation, adjust the spot through the laser center of set. Keep pressing the laser center of set button until the spot is in the center. We adjust the spot from bottom to up side. When it's in the circle, we can remove the marking paper now. Point the laser gun towards workpiece and check the red spot again. Observe whether our red light is at the center point. In cutting mode, we need high pressure shielding gas. So we need to switch the shielding gas to high pressure shielding gas tank. Turn on the high pressure shielding gas. Let's try the cutting function. That's all for the laser cutting mode. Let's see the laser cleaning now. First, we need to make sure we are in the cleaning system. Please press the button on the upper right corner on the home page. Press continue. And we need to restart the machine before entering the cleaning system. Turn off the start and turn off the power. Turn off the air switch. Open. Turn on the power. Turn on the start. We are now in cleaning mode. We need to remove all the front part of the gun head. When it's done, we can try the laser cleaning now. That's all for the laser cleaning mode.